Welcome back, guys. Back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to the most feared rugby team in the world. The All Blacks are brutal freaks of nature. With all that being said, let's see the most feared rugby team in the world. Let's see how the All Blacks get down. And look like they're gonna eat people's heads alive. Oh my goodness. They just look like they're crazy and they just want to eat your kids.
It's Caleb Clark. I don't know whether you want to be kicking to this fellow because he'll hurt you. He'll hurt you big time. Caleb Clark thundering down towards the 22.
Yeah, Clark is just a physical specimen. He loves running into people.
Deep inside Wallaby territory. Pass goes wide to Salvia. He's on. What a brilliant try by the All Blacks. Oh, what are we witnessing here? Space again.
Let me know down in the comments if the All Blacks are your favorite team or one of your favorite teams, or who your favorite team is. Like, is this video true? Are the All Blacks the most physical team in rugby, or is there another team I should be reacting to that's more physical than this team? Rugby in general is just a physical sport. But it looks like the All Blacks, like whoever has the ball, doesn't matter who it is on their team, is always looking for physical contact.
Smith bustling his way through beyond
What movement. Oh, what a fake.
Someone gets the ball away as well. Bridge brought down by Klim. Lovely break from Paranara, but once more they're on the ball. Giovanni has got it away.
What a pass. That was an amazing pass right there.
Tiptoeing his way down the touchline.
Oh, this man, when he gets the ball, you better watch out. Number 11. He's a beast. Look at that guy. Number 8's just punishing people.
Against Kramer, and Pirinara once again takes it quickly because he senses it's on out left. Here's Ioane stepping back, lovely ball away to Bridge, taken by the cover. But here come the All Blacks again. Bowden Barrett runs into a big hole.
I can only imagine the conditioning that you have to play rugby.
Piece of play by Bowden Barrett, and Jacobson profits with the try.
What's currently the best team in rugby right now? Is it the All Blacks or is it a different team? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, look at that guy's in pain.
And it's New Zealand kicking off through Bowden Barrett, and early touch.
Man, he got lit up.
Absolutely ferocious shot.
From the top and the bottom. Oh, what a good kick. Oh, what a play. What a pass. Oh, he's gone. He's too fast. What a well-designed play. That was dope. He could catch it, pass it back, gone. Uncontested.
See if Barlow playing under advantage here is Lau Murphy charging over the top and scoring.
Damn, he ran him over like it ain't nobody business. Messed up. Guy has a family. Let's go. What a tackle.
train pace. Now a short pass for Satutu. Off it goes for Clark. All Blacks inside their own 22.
Oh my goodness.
Tom Wright goes.
That was so good. Caleb Clark. Tom Wright, get out of my way.
Now it is.
Oh, nice interception.
Corner Skinner. They're closing. But he's got Bowden. Barrett.
Yo, what teamwork. The passing was crazy right there. That sequence was dope. Oh my goodness, he got speared.
They win it down the back through Akira Ioane. Barrett stepping and breaking into some space. Still on his feet. Rico Ioane. Still going. Gets the offload away. Oh, what a try. Artie Salvia's in. So George Bauer on the field in 17. Little kick into space. Jordan's
Oh, what a
under
good
it.
kick.
He's got it.
What a
Will
juke.
Jordan. Oh, he
He's
is
gone.
quite sensational.
That whole team is sensational. You can see the love and the passion that they have for rugby.
Ball here now. Kane quickly through the hands. Tui Vasashik. Caleb Clark busting onto it. Breaking
Yeah, when he gets the
tackles.
ball,
Caleb
like-
Clark, so hard to stop. And
Yeah,
it's
he's
the
very
perfect
hard to
start
stop.
the second half.
Physical specimen. Top 1% of humans. Nice tackle.
6.5 remaining. Marinara for Sapuanga. Lord storming run by Leonard Brown. Off he goes. Anton Leonard Brown.
And these guys are like fast, but like the physicality that the team has is just crazy.
Been a few years though.
Yeah. Geordie Barrett dribbles it through. Here's Reese. Now, can he win
What?
the race? I reckon.
What? I've never seen that before. That's crazy.
Wow.
I didn't even know that was possible. What an amazing, smart play by this man. He knew he couldn't grab it or it'd be difficult. He just kicks it up forward. That's crazy. And is still able to score the try.
Looking for some more runners and finds Moanga, who puts Leonard Brown into again. Now there's a chance for Ioane. Slings a wild pass, beautifully pulled in. Now Retallick.
Look at the teamwork.
Retallick to Havili. Away it goes.
Oh, they're
for
going to score
Savia.
easy.
Now Reese. Oh, what a try that is. Seven Reese. And the All Blacks score.
Had it on the left side of the field or right side of the field, depending on where you're looking at it, and then score all the way on the other side. Oh, what pass right there.
Wallaby ball. Short line out for Eki. Delivered quickly.
Oh. Oh, wow. Holy. And nobody stopped. Oh, well, there's still two defenders. Passes it off to his teammates and score. It's like if you give the All Blacks an opening, and if you make a mistake on your side, they're definitely going to score. Yeah, rugby's got to be one of the most physical, if not the most physical sport in history. I really can't think of another one right now. Oh, what an interception. Yeah, you could see that from a mile away. What a play. What a read.
Time going high. Easily, nicely taken by Morgan, turning it back.
What misdirection.
Two-player, they're breaking tackles. Whitelock moves it on to Jacobson. Well, trouble early on here for Tonga.
Oh, there you go.
Through his Papali'i. He's away.
Banks, he's got good pace, Tom Banks. Still going. They chase him down, Ioane, and he goes into touch.
Just like that, it just seems like that whole team has superb athletes on the team.
Will try and cash in on his absence. The arm goes out from the referee. Smith swings the pass away.
Sheesh. He just punished him. He didn't even have the ball. He told him cry about it and what? Yeah, that's exactly what I thought he said.
Australian territory. Taylor gets it round Pines Bridge. Puts him in a big gap. Slings it off to Aaron Smith. Smith and White, the two halfbacks. Smith reaches in.
What a try. That was good. All effort right there. My gosh, this guy's a bully. He's taking on the whole team. Oh, they're gone the other way. Oh, what a passing. This guy kicks it on the other way. Oh, the opposite side. And scores it. That's crazy.
Now it's coming again for Aaron Smith. Running hard as it will Jordan once more. Pops it out to Taylor. Here is Brazil.
Oh my, he just ran him over. He just truck sticked him.
There's Perenara Finch. Good stable scrum. Gets it off to Geordie Barrett. Feeds it up to Julian Xavier. Got the pass inside to Perenara.
Oh, what a kick. Teamwork makes the dream work. Man, this team's good. I don't know if this is the same team from the beginning of the video all the way through, but the All Blacks, they're a consistent good team. At least from the highlights anyways. Was this a video for last season or was this a couple seasons? Let me know down in the comments.
Been really good, Will Jordan.
Oh, good play by 14.
If it sits up, it does. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
What a masterpiece. Yeah, you know, that concludes that video of the most feared rugby team in the world. But let me know down in the comments. I don't know if it was much fear from the All Blacks, if it was more just execution, more grit, more, more teamwork. They just, the skills, the ability, the smarts, had it all, as a team and as a unit. But I don't know if they're the most feared rugby team. I mean, they are built like freaks of nature. All these guys are like massively built, and it's kind of crazy, But I think that's what goes for all of rugby. See if I can find a video if there's any more teams or if there's any more videos of the All Blacks that maybe shows why they are the most feared rugby team in the world. But if there's any other teams do you think I should react to, please let me know down in the comments. If you like the content, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video.